What's up everyone, my name is Des. Welcome to my channel. Today I have something a little different since I can't do workout Wednesdays because I hurt my back, at least for now. I'm going to be posting my bathtub cleaning video. So I'll be using two different methods today to see which one works best, and I got them from Darkandbeautiful, which is going to be baking soda and vinegar. The other method is from Clean My Space, and that one is dish soap and baking soda. So join me as we find out which method works best. So today I'll be changing my shower curtain liner. So I have one of those, and the rings on top, I'll be changing that as well. I have a spoon that I'll be using to spread the baking soda and also to mix the dish soap, which is palm olive, and baking soda. I have vinegar, and then a bowl and a scrub brush, but I end up using some other kind of cleaning scrubber, and then also my brandless tub and tile cleaner. I did not even realize how rusty these things were until I looked up in the shower one day. It's like way too high for me, so I don't usually look up there, but dang. I use the disinfecting wipes to clean off the shower curtain rod, just to wipe off the rust, and then I am cleaning out my bathtub. When I looked at this in the camera, it looks way dirtier than in real life, so I'm so grossed out and kind of embarrassed. But yeah, this is what I'm working with. And I'll be using the scrubber and the brandless tile and bathtub spray to clean the walls, but I won't be using it in the bathtub. So Melissa Maker from Clean My Space suggests that you use half and half of the baking soda and dish soap, and then also essential oils. I did not have essential oils, but I definitely suggest it because it is very strong smelling when you actually use it. It smells like hair dye, and I wasn't ready for that, but yeah, so if you have the essential oils, definitely use it. Clean My Space also suggests having a dry bathtub, and so on the left side of the bathtub I will be doing what Nika from Darkandbeautiful says. So this is going to be baking soda all over, and I'm going to spray it with vinegar, and then I'm just going to scrub. You can already see the line from the clean side of the tub to the dirty side. Oh my goodness, so gross. But yeah, so and then you just rinse after you scrub it all down. So as you can see, the vinegar and baking soda did really well. There was a little bit of tough spots where the shampoo bottles were, but other than that, it looks pretty good. So I'm going to dry the tub so that I can do the dish soap and baking soda from Clean My Space. She says to apply it like a face mask, so I'm just spreading it all over the bathtub, all over the walls of the bathtub as well. After letting that sit for a little while, I went ahead and wet the scrubber, and I'm just scrubbing the tub now. And it actually got a lot of the little rust around the, I don't know what that thing is that I'm scrubbing, but it got a lot of the rust off, which is really nice. And then I rinsed. Which side do you guys think won? Dark and Beautiful's vinegar and baking soda, or Clean My Space's baking soda and dish soap? Let me know in the comments below. These two different methods definitely work great, but the dish soap and baking soda started to smell like hair dye. I don't know if it was like, I shouldn't have been using that dish soap, but they said any dish soap. So unless you have the essential oils like she suggested, I wouldn't go that route. It's just so strong of a smell. And then also with the vinegar and baking soda, it doesn't smell as bad. So I would definitely go with the baking soda and vinegar, just because I don't want to have to deal with getting masks and gloves every time I have to clean the bathtub. But yeah, that's just my opinion. They both work excellent, so I definitely suggest using either or method. And yeah, so I hope you liked this video. The next cleaning organization type video I'll be doing is a bathroom organization video. If you're interested in that, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! What is it? How should I say it?
Doing challenge today. I have some.
Oh, Jack.